Day number 36. I slept here last night. I shared a bed with Giggleish and woke up at 4:30. It's 5 o'clock and I'm heading back out to the trail very soon to do 8 miles slack pack and then back into town. It's 5:30 a.m. Drop back off at the trailhead by the very nice trail angel. Yeah, Squish's no pack. Because we're gonna rock the 7.9 miles.
Dark, but they have info signs about why there are so many windmills here. And there's a sign about the Pacific Crest Trail also. Turning, turning windmills. Turning windmills. Wind farm moo cows! That guy's running down there. Woo! Lovely morning. What a lovely morning.
We're on a bridge. We're on a bridge. Doing the bridge dance.
Which direction? This way.
Kicking back on this bench built by an Eagle Scout. Hey, Eagle Scouts out there. PCT needs more benches.
More benches, more
benches, more benches, more benches, more benches. Yeah.
Another bridge, and there's mystery white buckets. Fortunately, they're not trail magic buckets. We think it's sand or construction materials. Thank you to the Tehachapi Trail Angels for stocking this water cache. Even though don't need it, it's still appreciated for those who do. And look, they even have some kind of funky bus service if you don't get a hitchhike. Meet you on the roadblock.
And we did some line dancing.
Oh my word, you've really gotten to see Tehachapi.
Paka! Ah!
So what were your start dates?
21st.
After our quick morning hike, we're now at SAMMICH with breakfast burritos.
Oh, look! Budget beer canisters.
Showered again, and now relaxing at Trail Angel Michael's house, doing some stuff, like ordering some stuff I need for the Sierra, which is coming up very soon.
Wish is watching Lord of the Rings because he doesn't get enough walking in his life.
Hanging out with the puppers. Puppy cuddles are a really, really, really great relaxing treat when you're in town.
Petra Mediterranean food.
Squish and I are seeing the Avengers movies later, so we had to come here to get SHWARMA. Cheers!
Good old Hitch and Post Theater. Yeehaw! Hi guys!
Someone just did it.
My giant popcorn. I'm ready to see the movie. Why?
Avengers!
Avengers! Avengers! Avengers! Bye, fat legs!
Rocked it out with all the hiker trash at Avengers Infinity War.